Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. Welcome to the new episode. On today's episode, I'll walk you through how you can download, install, and as well as set up your platform from Unity to create augmented reality application. So, short, augmented reality is just augmenting the reality what you see in our real world. A good example of an augmented reality, if you want to buy a furniture, right? A furniture, you can use your phone, and since using your phone, you can put your furniture in different places in your home, in your scene, and you can try to see what it looks like. That's how you can use augmented reality. There are several kinds of augmented reality. Good example are like in surgery. You can use augmented reality over there. So this augmented reality has several benefits. So in the coming few episodes, we're going to learn how we can build augmented reality. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're not gonna miss anything new when it's come. Great! So the platform we're going to use to develop augmented reality is Unity. Unity, which is where you can develop several augmented reality applications. It could be a 2D, 3D, game development. Primarily is for game development, but we're going to use it for developing augmented reality applications. And this is the first episode. I'll show you behind the scene what it Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal. Welcome to the new episode. On today's episode, I'll walk you through how you can download, install, and as well as set up your platform from Unity to create augmented reality application. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Good. So here, you first need to go to the website called unity3d.com, where you can download the Unity to install in your computer. So there are different versions. Unity before the 2019 version, came, there is not a way to download multiple versions in one time. So what did Unity created? It created a version called the download Unity Hub, the Unity Hub. So what does the Unity Hub do? You'll have multiple versions within one, and you can install whichever versions you want. It could be the latest one, or you can install even the beta version. So we'll show you once we download, and I'll show you the details when we go in further. But this is a cool one. And here's the difference. The Unity Hub is just you can have different versions within it. You can just need to download it. It takes some time to download because it has a bigger version file. So if you are already a customer, you can download it right there. That's the beta. If you want to download the beta version, that's the button where you can download. So without further ado, let's go ahead and I already downloaded to save time. So what I would do here, I'll show you what are the settings we need to apply when we install. So what do you have here? So you'll have the downloaded Unity Hub, and you double click there, it will come up here. So what happened here is you can select the version of Unity that you want. So always the latest and greatest is the greatest, and it's automatically selected for me, for you, which is the recommended release, which is the Unity 2019, as I am recording this video today. Perfect. But if you want to go to further back with other official release, let's say 2020, that's the 2019. If you want to go to the Unity release 2020 or 2018, or even you can go to the pre-release, which is like the alpha and the beta. These are really not yet, but this is the 2021. I would not recommend to go to the pre-release. This is because they might have some bugs and they are not well tested. So because of that, I would just recommend to use the one that recommended release. What I have right here is a 2019.413 F1 LTS. Let's go ahead and say next for that one. So with that, you can choose, especially with the Unity now, the 2019. Here you can use the Visual Studio. Now I'm installing this one on my Mac, and that also requires a 0.13 gigabyte of storage in my computer, so that will be also installed. You can also, not only that, you can also add a number of platforms here. It's like if you want to do it for Mac or tvOS or Linux, okay, you can also do for those. So that is the good part. So, and by the way, you might notice what is F stand for. Those are the final version, the final version. So what am I installing here is that has F, which is the final version. So, and it will say add module to the Unity. This one, a total available space in my laptop here is 16 gigabytes. And a total space required is 12 gigabyte. 12 gigabyte. And there is one more gigabyte that is required. 1.9 gigabyte. Right. Yes. And the modules. What kind of modules are you going to install? The Visual Studio, which is by default you have, so I will let you. I mean, that's where you can edit code. Yes, the Visual Studio, so you can note that. But after that, like there are some other, because we're going to use an Android, we can add an Android. Yes, SDK, and it will also add SDK. Exactly. See the NDK tools and the open. Yes, the SDK. Really important when you develop your Android application. SDK is really important. And the other one is the iOS. Like if you are using a Windows system, you don't need. But what I need here is, because I'm working. Yes, what am I using is iOS principle, because I am using a Mac system. So this is my Mac, so I need iOS build support, so I can run applications for my Mac. Great. So show you how you set up your Unity development platform. So Unity is primarily, when it was for game development, but you can also build augmented reality, virtual reality, 2D and 3D games, different kinds of games. So today, this is my Unity. I have the Unity app, which I downloaded and installed on my MacBook also show you a couple of things. So what you can see is this is like the finished part of the development. So that's what I like, what I really like. So you guys can change the setup of your screen whichever you want, your playground scene. So what I have here is the scene. The scene is basically like how many scenes do you have? How many scenes do you have? Let's say in a given development. So you might have depend on if you have a game that has 10 levels, you will have a 10 scenes. And this what you see, the game is just a preview of your whatever development you're doing right here. So this is the preview, and that's my portrait view, which is 16:9, actually 9:16, which is 9 is the bottom, which is from here to here, and 16 is from the height of the scale. So that is the scale which I really like it for my development. And another important thing, when you're developing in Unity, I highly encourage to turn on the collaborate, which is once you turn on the collaborate, what you can do here is you can save. It's like a GitHub repository, so you can commit your work. And also to do that, you just need to go to the collaborate, and you can turn it on over there. So now I haven't yet published anything this the one, but it's my just first development, and I'm showing you how we can do that step by step. So that's the play button for you. You can play it and look at it. And here are the scene. What I did, this one is for the project. I changed this one from 2-column layout to a 1-column layout. Let's see what it looks like, the 2-column layout. This is what the 2-column layout looks like. It has the assets, these are the scene. Right now I only have one scene, which is a sample. And then if you go to the package, that's the package. You can see this is just 1 column. I don't want it to have really crowded, so that's why I'm making it this turn this one to a 1 column. This is how it looks like. So if I go to my package from here, so it looks like a little bit cleaner and really visible. But if I want to turn this one to a 2-column, that's how it looks like. So whatever I click here, I can see the result here from the package. Great. So with that, and the other I think important thing here is the tally, which is now I put it as a tall, and if you just click this, the 3 menu icon, you can minimize, clock, you can close it and reload as well. Great. So with that, like I said, if you go to window from your menu, and you can go to the general, and if you go directly to services, and that's where you can find these different kinds of, that's my project name, different kinds of services you can add. You can turn on the analytics. Right now I have analytics turn it on. Collaborate, you can have the cloud build. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on. This help you game development really quick and fast. And if you wanna purchase an app, you can turn on right there and find. And multiplayer, this is just actually implementing a multiplayer environment. So that's just a quick tip for you and also for me. So we'll come back with another episode, and we'll continue while I'm progressing in this augmented reality application. This is a real world augmented reality application I'm going to develop for my research here in augmented reality, privacy and security concerns that I'm working with the University of Liverpool. And my name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal from the Global Mindset University, and as well as through media, success coach, and ServiceNow star. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions, comments on the comment section. So don't forget to like, comment, and as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel here. So what you can see right here is the camera, and you can move your scene to different directions. So that's what I have here. That's the camera. As you can see, you can change it to different direction, and this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. So you have three so I can show you what it looks like. You go to layer and tally, and I can just remove my collab here also, and
Also, I have a question.
Yes, you can change them. Like if you move this one, you are decreasing one in the other. So when you hover over on them, the color will change to yellow. But normally that's what the color they have. And that's your compass. You can change it to different directions. So when you develop game, okay, game applications, so you will have your scene, different kinds of scenes. So that's just the 3D shape, this way, and that way.
Also, what is that?
So that's the camera view. That's what my camera here. So that's what I see now in my phone. That's like a simulator phone over here where you can see, so just showing you whatever scene you have there. So whenever I develop, once I start developing and adding more stuff to it, so this view will automatically change. I can click the play button and we can see it here on the play. Now it's running but has nothing on it, so keep working on it. Alright, so that's all I have, but bear with me. I'll show you how to commit your first code to the environment, which is to the collab, where you can save your work, your development, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that one. Alright, so what happened here is, if you wanna commit, like I said, okay, I'm gonna stop that. Change this one to. So once you make any development over here, you can just come, for some reason my collab. Okay, yes, collab is on. Now what you can do, if you wanna commit, open the history panel. You can close. Now it's already turned on. So whenever you have, because I don't have any change that I need to commit, so whenever I have any change I have to commit, so this gonna come up to little blue over here, so you can commit your change. Perfect, that's all I have. This is a quick way of showing you what it looks like. And don't forget to make sure your build setup, it could be to Android here, or it could be to iOS development if you are doing that. So if you go to build setup and you come here, you can change it. Right now I'm in Android and I have right there 32-bit. That's everything I have. You want to change it to Xbox or tvOS, iOS, Mac and Linux, WebGL, you can do that by here, and you just need to click when you make a change anything, you can change the setting over there. Perfect. Now it's unable to access Unity service. Please log in or request membership to this project to use this service. That's what it's saying. That's all I have for now.